This is going to be the Building B elevator at the Rosen Center. I mean the Rosen Inn. Hello.
Hi.
I'm just interested in elevators.
Oh, okay.
I just do this as a hobby, and I stayed at this place when I was little, and I'm just interested in like different elevators, and I see they actually upgraded these a few years ago. So yeah, that's all I'm doing, just taking a ride.
Okay.
Have a very nice day, sir.
You too.
Turn 4. Back down to 1. Yeah, you can also tell this is also a former Dover. Here's a cab view. Similar to the ones in Building A. This one's got a very sick buzz. What a piece of crap, it just shook. Well, anyway, here on 1, and we'll get off here. There it goes. That's it.